Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2018 BMW 330e SE plug-in hybrid, and this is the individual spec with some really nice extras on it. Anyway, I want to show you around it, so let's get started. Starting on the interior, we've obviously got the gorgeous leather interior, and that's from the individual range, the colour that's on it. Onto the dash then, we have piano black and aluminium insert on the dash. That's again from the individual catalogue. We've got nice spec on her too, in so much as you've got sat nav, you've got park sensors, all that kind of stuff, Bluetooth, phone connectivity. But the condition of the car is excellent. It's a really good example of one. From there, I want to quickly just show you up and down both sides of the car so you can get a good look around it. No stone chips, no pin dents, no scratches of any kind. Very well kept. Genuine BMW fan blade 18-inch alloy wheels from the individual catalogue again. But overall, just a really nice car. And finally, just a little bit about ourselves. We're an SIMI approved dealer and we're an AA approved dealer. Through the AA, we can offer the car with up to 24 months warranty, 101 point pre-sale check before it leaves. We can offer the car at 7.3% finance, which is actually quite good in the current market. And we've got a 4.9% rate on Google reviews. But that's it. Click below for further information. Anything I missed in the ad, mileage, all that kind of stuff. But that's it again. Thanks for watching and hopefully we will see you soon.